Hi, my name is Lakeisha, and this is my amazing mother, Barbara. Natural Living by Design is a certified 3-female family-owned certified company of all natural products. Here are some of our products. We are in the growth and pivoting stages of our business. With the support of Global Empowerment Ministries, WeBank, and TechTown's, we are truly paving the way for extraordinary success. As a company, we deemed it necessary to do something for a community of millions of people suffering with breathing and skin conditions such as COPD, asthma, and eczema. Our solution, salt therapy. An old proverb says, life is in the breath. He who have breathes, have lives. We are opening up a beautiful Himalayan salt cave and spa for adults and children. Of course, there will be other relaxation services for your mind, body, and soul. We have the salty yoga, flotation therapy, our salty sauna, and the magnosphere, and much, much more. Looking for a holistic, alternative, and complementary solution to medicine? We are the solution. There are a community of people that needs us. Natural Living by Design presents Saltscapes and Spa. Thank you and have an amazing day on purpose.